Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. In this video, I will be ungeeking the exact strategy that I used to make hundreds of thousands of dollars in the past couple of months from meme coins. And I promise you, it is not what you expect. Because most people think that I made all my money from trading, but that is completely wrong. I actually launched the meme coins instead, and that's exactly how I got rich. Which means I am the one funding narratives and launching the meme coins on Solana. I am the one profiting without risking anything. I am risking nothing. I am just launching and repeating. The truth is that in 2026, the traders will always lose and the devs will always win. So that's exactly why I became a dev, and now I am making this video to show you how to create meme coins for yourself all live right now. Let's go. Look at my crypto phantom wallet. I made all this crypto from creating viral meme coins. Every single time I make a coin, it gets a bunch of buyers, and I will show you exactly how I get a bunch of buyers on my meme coins. I will be exposing the entire method for you guys from start to finish, so let's go into the video. Now here's exactly why a couple months ago I transitioned from a trader to becoming a dev, because I realized that most meme coins are straight scams. Okay, for most of these meme coins, right, the pure intention is for the coin to dump. They all pump and dump. It's the same exact story over and over again, and it's annoying. It's annoying for traders because they buy early and they still lose money. So that's why I highly encourage everyone to start creating meme coins. Now look, as a dev, all we do is we find narratives, we launch a coin out of it, and we just wait for buyers. And when they come in, we sell our supply and we profit all that money, and we move on to the next coin, and we do that over and over again. You can launch as many coins as you want. There is no limit, and that's why I create coins instead of buying them. Okay, in this video I will be revealing the exact strategy, like I said, from A to Z. And yes bro, I will be doing a live launch to show you exactly proof on how I make money, bro, all live. Let's go. And by the way bro, I am not a financial advisor. I do not condone any financial advice given in this video. So yes, I do make money from deving, but this video is made for educational purposes only. Cap. Now a lot of people on Telegram, Discord, Instagram have been asking me where I launch my meme coins on, and this is the most gatekept information from a lot of devs. Okay, basically I launch my coins on Radium, right? So I launch them right here in the migration section, and if you guys do not know, Radium coins absolutely explodes, and that is the secret sauce of my strategy. So by launching my coins on Radium, bro, I reach thousands of potential traders, and my coins gains a bunch of volume just because of that pure attention. So I stopped launching my coins on Pump.Fun, bro, because it's oversaturated. No one buys them. Like, look at this, the results speak for themselves. Most of these coins get no buyers, bro. You're just wasting your time at this point. Now look, to launch your coins on Radium, bro, you need to be using a launchpad called launchmemes.io. It's the #1 launchpad for Radium, and that's why I use it. Now creating a meme coin on Launch Memes is extremely easy. Some people like to create coins from scratch, so just like Pump.Fun, you can create your own coin, bro. Just put a name, symbol, image, right, and then put your links and everything like that, and your coin will be live on Radium. Custom made, bro. Or you can use the Fruity X tracker. So for example, if you connect your Phantom wallet, you can turn these tweets into coins. So this is good if Elon Musk, Trump, someone popular made a tweet, you could turn that into a meme coin, right? Or you can use the third method, and it's my favorite one, and that is copying trending coins. It's the same exact concept as vamping meme coins. Every single meme coin here is going viral. They're all gaining a bunch of attention on Pump.Fun, and they're all proven because they are on this list, basically, right? So instead of creating coins from scratch, we're just going to come here and copy one of these coins back to Radium, right, to get a bunch of buyers, and we are going to be using that narrative to our advantage to make money. Let me show you how, bro. Let's do a live copy. Now obviously, bro, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, right, and let's look for a narrative to copy. Now, I don't care about the narratives right here, they're all good. Just go for one and copy it. Just make sure that you don't copy the same coin twice, okay? That's all you have to keep in mind for. So I'm gonna just go for like the Pepe Diamond, okay? Okay, I chose it randomly. Like I said, click on copy the Iridium. Your phantom will show up. Make sure you ignore the warning right here. This is normal for all launchpads for Iridium, by the way. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin should be copied and minted on Solana. Just wait, and boom. Now let's create the liquidity pool, okay, because it is on the blockchain, as you guys can see here. So let's create the supply. Now for the amount of coins right here, bro, click on 90%. Do that for every single launch. It's perfect, okay. For the amount of soul to pair, this is where you will be gaining some supply for yourself, okay, in exchange of a bit of Solana. Now this Solana will come back to you at the end when to cash out, so it is not lost, bro. It is not defeat, nothing, bro. So put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL. Like I said, you will get this back. Click on create pool, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin is live. Well, in a couple of seconds, boom, now it's live. Click on refresh once, and as you guys can see, you have your P&L counter, you have your coin, your stats. Let's go see the chart. I use Photon, right? You can use Axiom, Nova, Terminal, any trading platform you can use. Just go find your coin on Iridium. And as you guys can see, it's live, and now it's already pumping. 30 bucks, 40 bucks, 60 bucks, 30 bucks. Okay, yeah, this coin is extremely bullish. Now, if you come back to launch memes and you click on refresh, you can see your profits. We're up 180 bucks within seconds, and that is the power of creating and launching viral meme coins, okay? The strategy is extremely simple and repeatable, and that's exactly why I love this strategy so much. We're already at a 14k market cap. Now just wait a bit longer, okay? I like to wait a couple minutes, okay, like that the coin can top out and actually pump, and then now I can cash out. So when I come back, I will show you how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, bro, we're at a 44k market cap. Let's cash out. Honestly, bro, it's up to you when you want to cash out your profits, but I'm gonna do it right now. So come back to launch memes, click on refresh, and we're up 2.7k guys in profits, by the way. That is absurd if you ask me. Anyways, let's cash this out. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, ignore the block. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then we should be fully out of the coin, guys. Bang, we just cash out, and that's exactly how I make my dough every single day. Now look at my phantom wallet, boom, here's the proof. We made a bit more, actually, 2.75k in profits, right, on this meme coin. Now guys, even though you make less or even more than me, never give up. Just stay consistent, and launchmemes.io will be linked down below, bro. And by the way, congratulations to the 10 Solana winner right here. If you want to enter the 10 Sol giveaway, make sure to join my free Telegram group down below, bro, and do all steps, and you will be entered.